Exposing the secret sauce behind every achiever's success, SMART goals. Why don't more people use this simple framework? Let's break it down. The SMART framework isn't just a buzzword, it's your blueprint for winning. Start with specific. Get crystal clear about what you want. Measurable. Decide how you'll track progress and wins. Achievable. Challenge yourself, but keep it realistic. Relevant. Make sure goals matter to you and vision. Time-bound. Set a deadline to stay motivated and on track. Launching a business, leveling up your career, growing as a person, SMART. Goals will keep you focused and moving forward. So what's one SMART goal you're setting this year? Drop it in the comments. Subscribe to Genius Achievers for tips to turn ambition into achievement.